Unlock the power of intermittent fasting, your guide to the best foods. Want to get the most out of your intermittent fasting? Knowing what to eat can make all the difference. It's not just about you eat, but you eat that can supercharge your results. And trust me, as a doctor, I've seen firsthand how the right foods can make or break your fasting success. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of food to uncover the absolute best choices to complement your intermittent fasting journey. Whether you're a seasoned faster or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions that support your weight loss and overall health goals. We'll be exploring foods that not only keep those hunger pangs at bay but also provide sustained energy, promote gut health, and optimize your body's natural fat-burning potential. So, if you're ready to take your intermittent fasting to the next level, stick around. Alright, let's talk about the foundation of successful intermittent fasting: energy and satiety. These two elements are crucial for maintaining your fasting routine and ensuring you get the most out of your eating windows. When you're fasting, you want to make sure the foods you consume during your eating window keep you feeling full and energized for longer periods. This means choosing foods that are not only nutritious, but also satisfying. That's where protein-rich champions come into play. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, especially when you're in a calorie deficit. Think of protein as the building block of your cells, providing that long-lasting energy and curbing those cravings that can easily sabotage your fast. It helps in muscle repair and growth, which is vital for anyone leading an active lifestyle. One of my top recommendations is starting your day with eggs. They are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways to keep your meals interesting. They're packed with protein and essential nutrients, keeping you satisfied and mentally sharp throughout the morning. Plus, they contain choline, which is great for brain health. Greek yogurt is another fantastic option. It's creamy, delicious, and can be paired with a variety of toppings like fruits, nuts, and seeds. It's not only high in protein but also boasts probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. More on that in a bit. Probiotics can help improve digestion and boost your immune system. Now, for my meat lovers out there, lean meats like chicken breast, turkey, and fish are excellent choices. These meats are not only rich in protein but also low in unhealthy fats. They provide a hefty dose of protein without excess fat, supporting muscle growth and repair. Additionally, fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about my plant-based eaters. There are plenty of protein-rich options for you as well. Tofu is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. It's also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. But it's not just about protein. We also want to incorporate nutrient-dense foods that contribute to satiety and provide a steady release of energy. These foods help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Quinoa, a complete protein and a good source of fiber, is a fantastic addition to your meals. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a superfood in its own right. Chia seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses, are packed with fiber and healthy fats, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for hours. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or even made into a pudding. And let's not forget about avocados. This fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. This creamy fruit is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, making it a perfect addition to your meals or snacks during your eating window. It's also great for heart health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Remember, the goal is to choose foods that not only fuel your body, but also prevent those energy crashes and overeating episodes that can derail your progress. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stay on track. By incorporating these protein-rich and nutrient-dense foods, you'll be setting yourself up for intermittent fasting success. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also find it easier to stick to your fasting schedule. Now let's talk about a topic that's crucial for overall health and even more important when you're practicing intermittent fasting: gut health. A healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy you, and it plays a significant role in weight management. During intermittent fasting, you're giving your digestive system a break, which is a good thing. This break allows your body to focus on repairing and rejuvenating itself. But when you do eat, you want to make sure you're nourishing your gut with the right foods to support its function and promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This is essential for maintaining optimal digestion and overall health. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to gut health. It helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. It acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting their growth. This helps maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. So load up on those fiber-rich vegetables. They're not only good for your gut but also packed with essential nutrients. Broccoli, spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts. The more colorful your plate, the better. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Leafy greens in particular are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. They are also low in calories, making them perfect for weight management. Berries are another fantastic source of fiber and antioxidants. They help fight inflammation and support a healthy immune system. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, they're not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. They can be enjoyed as a snack or added to your meals for an extra boost of nutrition. And let's not forget about fermented foods. These foods are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, these foods are teeming with probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that populate your gut and contribute to a healthy microbiome. Including them in your diet can improve digestion and boost your immune system. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and even weight loss. It can also enhance your mood and energy levels. When you consume foods that promote gut health, you're not only supporting your overall well-being, but you're also helping to regulate your appetite and prevent those cravings that can lead to overeating. This is especially important during intermittent fasting, so make sure to incorporate plenty of fiber-rich vegetables, leafy greens, berries, and fermented foods into your diet during your eating window. By doing so, you'll be supporting your gut health, enhancing your digestion, and promoting overall wellness. Hydration is key. Best foods and beverages to keep you going. In this chapter, we will explore the best foods and beverages to keep you energized and hydrated throughout the day. Now let's talk about something that's absolutely essential, especially when you're fasting. Hydration. Staying hydrated is not just about drinking water, it's about maintaining a balance that supports your overall health and well-being. You might be surprised to learn that many foods are surprisingly high in water content and can contribute significantly to your daily fluid intake. These foods can be a delicious and effective way to stay hydrated. Watermelon, as its name suggests, is incredibly hydrating. It's composed of about 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits you can eat. It's like a big burst of refreshment, packed with electrolytes that can help replenish those lost through sweat. Plus, it's sweet and delicious, making it a perfect summer treat. Cucumbers are another great option. They're made up of about 95% water, which makes them incredibly hydrating. They're low in calories and high in water content, making them a refreshing and hydrating snack. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, or just enjoy them on their own. Oranges, those citrusy delights, are not only a good source of vitamin C but also surprisingly hydrating. They contain about 86% water. But it's not just about the food. Choosing the right beverages is equally important. Hydrating beverages can help you meet your daily fluid needs and keep you feeling refreshed. Water should always be your go-to, but you can also incorporate herbal teas and infused water to add flavor and variety. These options can make staying hydrated more enjoyable. Herbal teas like peppermint or ginger tea can aid digestion and soothe the stomach, which can be particularly helpful during intermittent fasting. They also provide a warm, comforting beverage option. Infused water is a fantastic way to add flavor and encourage hydration. It's simple to make and can be customized to your taste preferences. Simply add slices of cucumber, lemon, or berries to your water bottle and let it infuse for a refreshing and flavorful drink. This can make drinking water more appealing and help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting bodily functions, and even curbing hunger pangs. Proper hydration can improve your mood, cognitive function, and physical performance. When you're properly hydrated, your body functions optimally, and you're less likely to mistake thirst for hunger. So, make hydration a priority and enjoy the benefits of a well-hydrated body. Breaking your fast the right way. Gentle and nourishing foods. Alright, let's talk about breaking your fast. A crucial part of intermittent fasting that often gets overlooked, but is very important. After a period of fasting, it's important to ease back into eating with foods that are gentle on your digestive system and won't spike your blood sugar levels. One of my top recommendations for breaking a fast is bone broth. It's incredibly nourishing, packed with electrolytes and amino acids that support gut health and help replenish essential nutrients. Bananas are another great option. They're easy to digest, provide a quick source of energy, and are rich in potassium, which can help prevent muscle cramps. Smoothies are a fantastic way to break a fast, providing a balance of nutrients and hydration. You can pack in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats for a satisfying and nutrient-dense meal. When breaking your fast, it's best to start with smaller portions and gradually increase the amount of food you consume as your body adjusts. Avoid heavy, greasy, or processed foods that can shock your digestive system and lead to discomfort. Remember, breaking your fast gradually and mindfully is key to preventing digestive distress and setting yourself up for success in your next fasting window. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the best foods to eat during intermittent fasting. Remember, the key is to nourish your body with nutrient-dense whole foods that provide sustained energy, promote gut health, and keep you feeling your best. Experiment with different food combinations and find what works best for you and your body. Listen to your body's cues and adjust your eating habits accordingly. Intermittent fasting is a journey, and finding the right foods to support your goals is an integral part of that journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health and wellness tips. And be sure to share your favorite intermittent fasting foods or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy fasting.